Thank you so much for joining us on this Wednesday afternoon. I'm Angelina Zarnecki. We will start in New York, where press days for the city's auto show started today. And there is lots of news from Hyundai, the automaker saying it will build an assembly plant in the U.S. for electric vehicles and batteries. The new factory is part of the company's $7.4 billion investment plan for the U.S. to produce EVs, upgrade plants, and develop smart mobility. Here's our Jamie Butters discussing the project with Hyundai COO Jose Munoz.
And of course, you don't have a location yet to announce, but do you expect to decide that this year?
I think it's likely. I think it's very likely. We haven't decided yet, and then we don't want to put too much pressure on ourselves, but we're working diligently to try to do it in a, let's say, proper manner.
The news comes one day after Munoz said Hyundai will build the Santa Fe hybrid and electric version of the Genesis GV70 crossover at its plant in Montgomery, Alabama. Sticking with Hyundai, the Ioniq 5 was named World Car of the Year. It beat out two other electric crossovers, Ford's Mustang Mach-E and the Kia EV6. The award was handed out at the New York Auto Show. The World Luxury Car of the Year was given to the Mercedes-Benz EQS. Meanwhile, Hyundai taking the wraps off the freshened Palisade. The SUV is receiving a more sportier look, as well as upgraded interior tech, more amenities, and expanded safety offerings. Hyundai affiliate Kia showing off an updated Telluride. The vehicle is getting a mid-cycle makeover that adds off-road enhancements, exterior styling tweaks, and upgraded tech. Kia will sell the Telluride with two new trims dedicated to adventure. For much more coverage on everything happening in New York, stay locked to AUTONEWS.com. In other news, Envision AESC will build a massive $2 billion battery cell and module plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The plant will supply Mercedes-Benz's newly launched EV production line in Vance, Alabama, located some 300 miles away. But the company will also pitch future business to other U.S. automakers. The plant is slated to open in 2025 and will have the capacity to supply 300,000 vehicles a year. Elsewhere, a French government spokesman said the compensation package for Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares was, quote, not normal. Tavares is set to be paid about $20.5 million for 2021. The critical comments came as Stellantis' shareholders met for its first general meeting. The French government owns a 6.2% stake in Stellantis. If Tavares' 2021 compensation is approved, it would make him likely the highest paid automotive CEO in Europe. And Ford saying it will formally launch the F150 Lightning EV pickup on April 26. The automaker is planning an event that day at the Rouge Electric Vehicle Center in Michigan to celebrate the start of production and first customer deliveries. That is all for today. Have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Take care.